Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new wig install style video on this wig right here. I love this cute half up, half down style. And this wig company is giving me all the nostalgia that I need in my life right now. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a minute, then you know that BestLaceWigs was one of the first human hair wig companies that I showcased on my YouTube channel. So this company means a lot to me. So I really want to thank BestLaceWigs for sponsoring today's video. It has been a hot minute since I have reviewed a wig for this hair company. So I am rocking one of their 13x6 HD lace frontal wigs. This is the Kinky straight texture, and this is 20 inches, and it has 6 inches of parting space. The knots on the lace are small and they come pre-bleached, so I did not have to do any customization to this wig before applying it on my head. And you will see how natural this wig looks because it has those kinky edges, baby. And it just looks so dang realistic. It's crazy. The wig style that I'm rocking is HD 10. I will have a link down below if you're interested in checking out this wig. If you would like to see how I installed and styled this unit today, then you know what to do, baby. Stay tuned. So my wig arrived inside of this box, and it also was very carefully wrapped like this. Also came with this goodie bag with tools to help you install your wig. So it had a wig cap, it had clips, and a comb. The wig was packaged inside of a bag as well as a wig net. And here is the natural texture of this hair. I did not co-wash it. This is straight out of the box. As you can see, this wig does have the kinky edges on it all around the entire hairline. It does have really small knots and they come pre-bleached. It has a 13x6 frontal, so a lot of parting space. It has 3 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it's on a stretchy cap, so you can wear this glueless if you would like. Let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head, see what we're working with. I'm gonna pull the hairline forward. I just have on a wig cap. I did not even tint the lace on this wig, y'all. This is how official this install was. It literally is straight out of the box. So here you can see the kinky edges up close on my head, and they are very nice and full. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the middle of the lace, and then I'm going to use my eyebrow razor to take off the excess lace. I am going a little bit into the baby hairs because I would like to get as close to my hairline as possible, and then I'm going around the ear tabs with my scissors. And I'm going to do the exact same steps on the other side of my head. We're gonna spray the hairline with one of my favorite wig sprays. This is the Ben Wonder Lace spray in the black container, and I am going across my entire hairline. This gives me a hold for a few days if I would like, but it also allows me to take it off that night if I would like. Now let's go ahead and pull that lace down once the adhesive spray is nice and tacky, and it literally is going to stick straight to it. I love that spray. It makes life so easy. I do use that when I want a more temporary hold. If I want a long lasting hold for like a week or 2, then I use a adhesive like Bold Hold or Gummy. So here is a close-up of the hairline once I have laid that lace down. As you can see, it looks really natural for me to do no customizations, and I did not even tint the lace or put foundation under the lace, y'all. That HD lace looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and pin the hair out of the way so I can tie down the elastic band per usual. I do like to lay my lace before I apply my makeup for lace frontals, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And the face is beat. As you can see, the lace is looking amazing. Hairline looks super realistic with those kinky edges. I highly recommend you check out this wig, y'all. like unbelievable. Looks so good, don't you agree? So let's see what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and just let the hair down, kind of figure out what kind of style I want. In the meantime, I'm going to part the hair in several different places so you can see how good this HD lace and freestyle parting looks on this 13x6 frontal, y'all. It looks so good, and I did not apply any foundation, no bowl cap method. This is literally just a wig cap underneath. So I figured out the style that I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and pull out 2 pieces in the front for a like bang, and I'm doing it kind of like diagonally, and then I'm going to take my flat iron and just do a run down so I can see what it's looking like. And then I'm going to pull out the half up portion of my hair, get it out the way. And I know that this is past the lace, and that's fine. I like to do that sometimes, but you can still get a nice style with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up into a ponytail, clip it out the way, and then we're gonna work on the bottom section first. So I'm gonna cut those 2 pieces for my bang area, and then we're gonna take the flat iron and I'm going to bump the ends. And yeah, I'm like, okay, this look is starting to come together. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. Next, I'm going to work on the back section of my hair. I'm just going to take the flat iron and run through the hair a bit. I just want it to be a little bit more sleek, but not super silky straight. I still want it to be a kinky texture. And I'm doing the exact same thing on this side of my head as well. So now it's time to get the up part of this style together. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the ponytail out, and then I'm going to take my wax stick across the right side of my head first. I'm gonna work in sections with this, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb and run it across the hairline, moving backwards, so I can get that a little bit more sleek and flat. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going to take my Spritz hairspray, spray it across the entire hairline, then use a hard brush and brush backwards so I can get that ponytail nice and slicked down. Nothing crazy, but I don't want it to look like super huge there. You know what I'm talking about. We want it to be as sleek as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into a ponytail, and then we're going to braid this hair. I'm going to secure the end of the braid with a hair tie, and then we're going to go ahead and use this braided portion to put the hair into a bun on top of our head, and I'm going to use 2 bobby pins to secure this bun into its place. And here is the final look, y'all. I think it turned out super cute. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section down below. Would you rock it? I need to know. So this wig was super easy to install. I absolutely love the style that I did on this wig today. I cannot wait to do more styles for you guys. So if you have any requests, let me know in the comment section down below. I love the kinky straight with the kinky edges, y'all. It's so easy to finesse. Like, it just looks so good. You don't have to really worry about masking the lace really because it just blends, y'all. It's so easy. So if you have not tried one of these wigs yet, highly recommend you check this baby out right here. And even though it is 20 inches, do y'all see how long this is? This is giving like 24 inch, y'all. When I tell you they give you your length, they give you your length with Best Lace Wigs. You don't gotta worry about that. So yeah, don't forget to check the description box down below for the link to check out this wig, as well as the discount code that I have for y'all. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If you have not already checked out the makeup tutorial for this look, definitely click the box right here. You don't want to miss it. I did some underpainting for the first time and I'm kind of excited about it.